Welcome to Everyday Wins with FCS, where in just 2 minutes and 30 seconds, we bring you quick tips for smarter living and long-lasting impact. Come on, check it out.
Welcome to another edition of Everyday Wins with FCS. Today we're going to be assembling a Russian tea drink mix. Very simple, great holiday drink to have, especially on those cold days. A cup of hot water, put 2 to 4 tablespoons in with it, and you're good to go. So what we have here is we're going to have a quart mason jar that we're going to put our finished product in. A funnel is an easy way to get all of it into our quart jar. Of course, a lid to go on the top. We've got a 3/4 cup of sugar. It's going to go in our bowl. 2 cups of Tang or an orange drink mix of your choice. We have a 1/2 cup of unsweetened instant tea mix. We're gonna do 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. We're gonna give that a good stir to get everything nice and incorporated. Once your mix is all together, we're gonna pour it into our mason jar. Make sure you get everything in there. You'll top it, and then you could come back. We've added a little recipe card right here to ours, a bow, and a label on the top. So it's a super simple gift you can give this season or to have in your pantry for those really cold winter days. Thank you.
We hope you enjoyed this session of Everyday Wins with FCS. We hope you join us next time. For all the information of all the resources, please see all the links in the description for the video. Have a great one.